Ito na ang aming 2025 Boracay Trip Compilation kung saan lakad kami ng lakad around Boracay. Kakapagod pero masaya.
As the ocean whispers soft below, can you hear the waves crash near?
Salamat sa Mandarin Nest sa aming smooth round-trip transportation. Talagang wala nang iintindihin sa transportasyon between Katiklan and airport. Salamat din sa aming welcome drink na napakasarap. At dahil di pa kami maka-check-in, kain muna ng poodle lunch sa kanilang restaurant na Hakuna Matata. Isa pang nakakatuwa sa Mandarin Nest is that they are willing to set up a simple birthday decoration para sa aming birthday celebrant to si G. Hindi na tuloy kami nakapag-room tour. Masyado kasi kaming natuwa sa setup nila. Doon na kami na-focus. After settling in, walking naman sa beach at sumaglit lang sa Groto. Ang dami kasing tao.
Every second quenches our thirst. With every laugh we rise and soar.
After a few more walk, dinner naman sa Two Seasons to have a taste of their famous 4-cheese pizza and oyster sisig. Truly, masarap ang mga to. Pati na din ang drinks nila. Minimekos-mekos na po ni Kuya.
Zeto po.
Zeto.
Tornado ko lang isa. Pero may kusara po tayo. Bawal ka mali.
O, DDOH ba?
Pa-report tayo eh. DPWH po. Thank you so much.
Thank you din. Minekos-mekos na oyster sisig. Tapos after dinner, pwede kang mag-enjoy panoorin tong mga parada. Tuwing gabi meron ito. At sa day 2, sinimulan namin ang umaga sa Puka Beach. Doon nagpa-photoshoot kami sa Crystal Kayak. Isa sa mga photographer namin, ito si Kuya Nino. Galing siya kumuha.
Feel its glow as the ocean whispers soft below. Can you hear the waves crash near? Every moment life feels clear.
Habang nagpapa-photoshoot kami, nagpakuha na rin kami ng 5 sea urchin. Makatipid lang. Sabi nila, 75 pesos lang per sea urchin. Kaya grinab na namin yung chance.
In this freedom we
And surely, ang sarap malinamnam lasang dagat yung sea urchin. Nandito naman tayo ngayon sa Mangrove, kung saan napakagaling ng mga human drones.
We'll find our truth, we'll find our peace. So take my hand, let's journey far beneath the moon, beneath the stars. In every step we rise above, in every heartbeat there is love. We run along the endless shore, our spirits high, hearts wanting more. The sky's a canvas, colors burst. Every second quenches our thirst. With every laugh we rise and soar, embracing dreams we've never seen before. Through winds of change we sail ahead, following the paths.
And we are now under the sea of Boracay. where we swim with the
chase the
fishes.
light. Together strong through day and night. In every wave and whispered breeze, we'll find our truth, we'll find our peace. So take my hand, let's journey far beneath the moon, beneath the stars. In every step we rise above. In every heartbeat there is love.
After going under, let's go up, up, up naman! Para sailing in the sky, feeling mo talaga dinuduyan ka ng hangin. Bago matapos ang araw, mag-inuman naman tayo while enjoying this fire dance in red coconut. At oo nga pala, ang favorite drink namin dito, sex on the beach. Sa sobrang tuwa namin sa performance nila, pati kami naglaro na ng apoy. So hot!
Let's chase the sun, feel its glow. As the ocean
Day
whispers
3 namin, nag-swimming na lang kami, pahinga. Pero ang last activity namin, Paraw by the sunset. So relaxing. By the way, pinasadya namin na sun life ang aming Paraw. We choose sun life, so choose it also. Charing! Sun life, baka naman.
In this freedom we truly thrive. We'll raise the dawn, we'll chase the light. Together strong through day and night. In every wave and whispered breeze, we'll find our truth.
At bago kami umuwi ng day 4, pinuntahan namin ang Bulabog Beach at 4:30 a.m. So dark. Tapang namin eh, no?
We rise above. In every heartbeat there is love.
Bye, Bora! Sa uulitin, marami pa kaming gustong gawin. Kaya sana makabalik pa kami ulit. See you soon!